The RSI is one of the most dynamic indicators in trading. It's a perfect tool for spotting overbought and oversold conditions, and it works across multiple strategies for currencies. So, what exactly is the RSI? The Relative Strength Index is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100, helping traders identify potential turning points. How do you read it? A reading above 70 suggests a currency might be overbought, a potential sell signal. A reading below 30 signals it might be oversold, a potential buy signal. To increase accuracy, RSI can be used alongside other indicators like moving averages or the MACD. Combining indicators can help you confirm potential entry and exit points. And here's a pro tip. The RSI is usually used for currencies which tend to oscillate and don't trend for too long unless there is major news. This makes it ideal for catching short-term price reversals.